Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the ULTRA Pence 1994 coin. We'll explore its history, design, and most importantly, its current value at the heritage auctions. Let's talk about the rarity and condition of this particular coin. As the years have passed, some of these coins have become scarce due to wear and tear, and others have been lost or damaged. A well-preserved coin in mint condition can be highly sought after by collectors, making it quite valuable. The value of a ULTRA Pence 1994 coin can vary significantly based on its condition. A coin in excellent uncirculated condition might fetch a higher price at auctions compared to one with visible signs of wear. We researched the current value of the ULTRA Pence 1994 coin at the prestigious heritage auctions. Please remember that coin values can fluctuate over time, and this information is accurate as of the time of our research. ULTRA Pence 1994 coin in uncirculated condition recently sold at the heritage auction for $56,000. Keep in mind that these values can vary based on market demand, coin rarity, and other factors. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the ULTRA Pence 1994 coin and its value at the heritage auction.